Today, I will show you how to reset passwords for all users, specific roles, or individual users on any WordPress website using Melapress Login Security. Bulk password resets can be useful after security incidents, when trying to enforce new password policies, during staff offboarding, or client handovers, just to name a few. And the best part, this feature is completely free. Let's start with installation. Head to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins, Add Plugin. In the search bar, type Melapress Login Security and find the plugin. Click Install Now, then Activate. Once activated, you will be redirected to the Plugins Login Security Policies page. There is a button in the top right corner that says Reset All Users' Passwords. Click that to get started. Now let's look at your options. This feature gives you fine-grained control over which passwords to reset. In the Choose User Group section, you have four options. First, Reset All Users does exactly what it sounds like. It resets passwords for all user accounts on the site. Second, Reset by Role lets you target a specific user role, like administrator, editor, or subscriber. Just select the role from the drop-down menu. Third, Reset Specific Users allows you to enter individual usernames in a text box. For example, we have John username. And fourth, Upload CSV of user IDs lets you upload a file with user IDs. Either CSV or TXT format works fine. Just make sure the file only contains user IDs. Prepare the file, download the CSV, and upload it directly to the dashboard. For this demo, we will proceed with Reset All Users option. Next, we can choose whether to reset the passwords immediately or on next login. Resetting passwords immediately will reset them right away and log out any users who are currently logged in. Resetting passwords on next login will prompt users to create a new password the next time they try to log in, making it less disruptive but also delaying the password reset till the user next logs in. There are also three additional settings you should know about. First, the option to send an email to users when resetting. Check this to automatically notify users that their password has been reset. Second is the option to terminate sessions for reset users. This terminates all sessions related to this user immediately when their password is reset. And the third is the option to include yourself in a password reset. Once you have made your selections, click Proceed. The plugin will reset passwords according to your settings. That's it. Melapress Login Security offers an easy solution for resetting passwords in bulk, allowing you to do it in just a few clicks. That's not all the plugin does though. It also includes helpful features like password policies, login attempt limits, the ability to implement geo blocking or restricting logins by IP, and much more. You can download the free version of the plugin from the WordPress repository. Thank you for watching.